Hello, my name is Mrs. Z. I am the Library Media Specialist at Haymarket Elementary School. Today I'm going to show you how to access WorldBook Kids. We are going to start at Technology at HMES. We are going to scroll down until we find WorldBook Kids. This is where you will use the login ID and password. Once you have signed in, you will see this main screen. We are going to look at WorldBook Kids today, so I'm going to click on Kids. Now, WorldBook Kids is a general reference website developed especially for kids. So it offers simple search and browse navigation, easy to read articles, and engaging activities for students. Let's take a look at this great resource. Today I'm going to pick the topic frogs. If I were to put frog in the search box, it would give me a list of articles about frogs. I'm going to click on the first article, and it shows you this really nice picture of a frog. If you scroll down, you will see the article. The nice thing about WorldBook Kids is that it gives you the option here to have it read to you.
Frogs are small animals known for their ability to jump.
You can also read the text independently if you would like. Now, if I were to click on the tools, I can actually do a couple things. I can click on Read Aloud settings. I can change the voice. I can change the speed. I can translate the text. There are a lot of options here. You can print the text, share the text, save the text. So this is very beneficial if you are doing research. So this tells you about the frog, and it has nice pictures as well. Over here on the left, you'll notice that there is a place for you to click and listen to a frog croaking. If you scroll down, you will see that if you would like to find out more information, you can click here. They also show you at the bottom how to cite the article. This is very useful if you are doing a research project for school and the teacher asks you, where did you get your information from? You can look here to cite your source, show where you got your information from. Okay, so if I scroll back to the top, across the top of the screen here, you'll notice some tabs. So if I click on Standards, this gives me the opportunity to pick the state, the subject, the grade level, and I can look and see what standards are going to align with these articles. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll also notice that there are websites, activities, games, science projects, questions. So if you wanted some questions that you could use in your lesson if you're a teacher, there are questions here about frogs. If you click pictures, videos, and more, you'll see there are lots of pictures of frogs. This one here, Frog's Powerful Hind Legs, I thought was very interesting. Once again, you can see that there are sound clips here if you're interested in listening to the sound the frog makes. And then we also have a More Information tab, which has more information and more articles. At the bottom here, you'll notice a For Educator option. If you click on Educator Tools, there are curriculum correlations, lesson plans, web quests, lots of useful information. If we go back to the main screen, across the bottom, you'll see there's also lots of interesting options that you can try. We have pictures and videos, world of animals, activities, maps and more, games, important people, compare places, science projects, and the dictionary. So lots of very interesting tools that you can explore. I hope that you enjoy this wonderful resource.